Hello, little friends. Welcome to MGS Tales, where learning is fun every day. Today, we are going to learn something super easy and fun. Greater than, less than, and equal to. Are you ready? Let's begin. Look, who is this? This is Croco the Hungry Crocodile, and he is always hungry. Croco says, "I love eating big numbers, yum yum." Let's look at these apples. Here we have 5 apples, and here we have 2 apples. Croco says, "I want more food. I will eat 5 apples." So we say 5 is greater than 2. We write it like this: 5 greater than 2. Remember, Croco opens his mouth toward the bigger number. Now look at this: 1 balloon and 4 balloons. Croco says, "I like bigger numbers. 4 is bigger." So we say 1 is less than 4. We write 1 less than 4. Now look carefully. 3 candies and 3 candies. Croco says, both are the same. So we say 3 is equal to 3. Question 1. 7 blank 3. Great job! 7 is greater than 3. Question 2. 2 blank 5. Here's a simple trick. The crocodile always opens its mouth toward the bigger number. Big number, open mouth side. Today we learned greater than, less than, and equal to. You did an amazing job. Thanks for watching MGS Tales. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next fun video. Bye-bye.